Did you know that cyber attacks happen every 39 seconds? If your network isn't secure, you could be the next target. In this video, we'll show you how to set up a secure network step by step, whether it's for your home, office, or business. Stay tuned. Before setting up a secure network, let's understand why security is crucial. Hackers exploit weak passwords, outdated software, and unprotected Wi-Fi to steal sensitive information. A strong network security setup protects you from data breaches, malware, and cyber threats. First, you need reliable network hardware. Here's what you should get. A secure router. Look for one with WPA3 encryption and firewall capabilities. A firewall. This acts as a gatekeeper, blocking unauthorized access. Managed switches. These allow better security configurations for businesses. VPN support. A virtual private network encrypts your data for extra security. Your Wi-Fi settings can make or break your security. Follow these steps. Change the default SSID and password. Use a unique network name and a strong, long password. Enable WPA3 encryption. If your router supports it, turn it on for better security. Disable WPS, Wi-Fi protected setup. Hackers can easily exploit it. Set up a guest network. Keep visitors on a separate network to protect your main devices. Strong access control ensures only authorized users can access your network. Here's how to do it. Use strong passwords, a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers, and symbols. Enable two-factor authentication. 2FA adds an extra layer of security. MAC address filtering. Allow only specific devices to connect. Limit admin access. Restrict who can change network settings. A secure network is a maintained network. Here's what you need to do regularly. Update your firmware. Keep your router and firewall software up to date. Use network monitoring tools. Tools like PRTG, Wireshark, or Fing can detect unusual activity. Schedule security audits. Regularly check for vulnerabilities and update passwords. By following these steps, you can significantly reduce the risk of cyber threats. A secure network isn't just an option, it's a necessity. If you found this guide useful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech security tips. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below.